Hello PowerPoint users and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show how to save PowerPoint slide designs into high resolution images. Before we start, let me tell why this is important to export PowerPoint slides into high quality images. Many a times it will be a requirement from customers to send the high resolution images of our designs, or maybe the case where you want to take the large printouts of your PowerPoint designs. Normally, when we try to save any PowerPoint slide as an image format, by going to Save As option under File menu, no matter which format you choose like JPEG or PNG, the default quality which PowerPoint saves it will be of low resolution. Let me go to the folder where I have saved this image and show what exactly I mean. Here is the image we have saved, and if we open it in MS Paint, we can see its size is not even filling up the MS Paint application. And if we zoom in into this image, we can notice that the image pixels are breaking up. So with these limitations, let us now explore how to save our PowerPoint slide designs into high resolution images. So let's get started. So to export the PowerPoint slide designs into high resolution images, we need to change the backend registry values of PowerPoint. Let me go to search option and then search for REG, and that brings up the registry editor. Just click to open it, and on the top left we see 5 different folders. In that, we need to expand HKey current user folder. Next, expand the software folder, then Microsoft folder, and then finally Office folder. The folder numbers that you see here may not be same as that of mine because it depends upon the Office version which is installed on your computer. On the right, I have highlighted different folder names of all different Office versions, and you need to expand only that folder. Since I am using Office 365, I will expand 16.0 folder. Next, expand the PowerPoint folder, and then finally select Options folder. Now in this folder, go to Edit option on the top, and then go to New, and then add a dworld 32-bit file. It is very important to rename this file in a proper way. Just type export bitmap resolution without any spaces and capitalizing each starting letters like E, B and R. Make sure you rename it correctly. Now double click to open this file. Select the decimal option here, and now we need to provide its value data. On the screen, you can see different decimal values and their respective resolutions. Also note that PowerPoint's default decimal value is 96 and its resolution is very low. The maximum decimal value you can go is up to 300 and its resolution will be 3000 by 2250 if your slide is in 4:3 ratio, and it will be 4000 by 2250 if your slide is in 16:9 ratio. So let's enter the decimal value as 300 and then click on OK. Let's close the registry editor, and also we need to close and reopen our PowerPoint application to bring these changes into effect. So let me close it and then reopen the same slide. Let's go to File menu and then Save As. Browse the folder location, select the PNG format from the drop down, and let me save it in the same folder. Let me rename it as Improved Quality. Let's go to the saved folder now and then open this Improved Quality image in MS Paint. You can clearly see the image size has increased by 4 to 5 times. Let me zoom out a bit. If you remember, previously this was the default image size, and if I zoom into this image, we can notice the image pixels are sharp enough without any breaks. So that's how you can export your PowerPoint designs into high resolution images. And that's all I wanted to cover in this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.